Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling Linux on the Chromebook. This gives you the environment for a Windows emulator. Make sure you have 4 GB or more and around 10 GB free because disk space matters. Once done, update Chrome OS to the latest stable build, then open Settings and enable Linux Beta. You will use the Linux terminal next to install dependencies, so keep it open and accept the default container size when prompted. This gets the process moving immediately. Next, you install the emulator stack inside the Linux container. This is where the heavy work happens. Install Wine for Windows compatibility, then add Box 64 or Box 86 if your CPU is ARM to translate 64-bit or 32-bit binaries. Once installed, create a Wine prefix configured for the app architecture and place the Windows installer in your Linux home. Then run the exe through Wine. If it fails, change prefix settings or try the other box variant, because architecture mismatch is the most common blocker. Finally, you finalize integration so the Windows app feels native. Create launcher shortcuts from the Linux container, map keyboard and mouse, and enable GPU acceleration when your Chromebook supports it to improve performance. Test the application, and if it runs slowly, tweak Wine graphics settings or try a different emulator build. If something fails, collect logs with Wine log, confirm whether the app needs 32 versus 64-bit. Reboot the Linux container and repeat the install steps. This single troubleshooting tip solves most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.